పాటు తన పర్ఫార్మెన్స్తో పాటు తన వాయిస్ కూడా 100% డిటిఎస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ లాగా ఉంటే తమన్ గారి వర్క్ చాలా తగ్గిపోతుంది. అదే అర్జున్ దాస్ గారు. అర్జున్ దాస్ గారిని వేదిక మీదకి సాదరంగా ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నారు. ఆయన వాయిస్తో మ్యాచ్ చేయాలంటే మనకి 4 మైకులు కావాలి. అలాంటి తిరిగి వస్తున్నారంటే And what a performance, Arjun Das garu. Congratulations to you and me. Superb.
Good evening, Andarki Namaskaram. Before the release, I put out a very long tweet which covered everything. I don't think a lot of people read it because it's too long, but I want to write out whatever is there. So I've written down a little bit something today. I'm hoping to share that with you. If you don't mind, I'll be looking at my phone. I'm really sorry. I know after OG, especially here. Sure, sir. Sure. I know for a fact, definitely after OG, a lot of people will not want to listen to my voice. All thanks to Sujit, because even the statutory warning, he made me say in my voice. But I'm sorry. Please bear with me for 10 minutes. I've written down something. I'm hoping you all give me that time, if you don't mind. So, firstly, I'll start with Sujit. A little bit of Telugu and a little bit of English here and there. Firstly, Sujit, thank you so much. When Sujit called me, he told me that he wrote the character's name Arjun because he had me in mind. I didn't know Sujit from before, but I'd watched his movies and I'm very happy that I got to work with you. Thank you so much, Sujit. And like I've been telling you from day one, I wanted you to win and win big, so congratulations. Ashwin, I forgot to mention your name in my note, but thank you. Ashwin was the person who told me about OG, and that's when I had a Zoom call with Sujit. Taman brother, I still remember you telling me before OG and after OG, and you were on steroids for this movie, so thank you. I'm so happy that I got to work with you for the second time, and I'm looking forward to working with you again. Shreya ma'am, as I mentioned in the note, the thank you note, that, you know, despite me fumbling my lines, you decided to be very kind and loving with me, so thank you so much. Harish sir, like you said, after Kaidi, I know we didn't have any scenes together, but I'm glad I got to work with you. Ravi sir, so happy to be seen through your lens. I'm glad I got to work with you. Danaya Garu, thank you so much. I wrote this in my note. I know it is a very long note, so you would not have read it, but one of the days when I came on set, you were very kind enough to walk me to the set. Thank you. That just shows what a wonderful heart you have. So thank you so much. Congratulations to you. So when I came to Hyderabad, there was the premiere show, and I wanted my parents to experience the Pavan Kalyan Euphoria, and they put us in a multiplex on 24th night. And I said, no. This is not where we should watch the movie. And it's very difficult to get first day first show tickets for Pavan Annaya's movie. So, sir, I'll tell you why I'm calling you Annaya suddenly. I know I address you as sir. I'll come to it, sir. So we didn't get tickets, unfortunately, and of course for security reasons, and you know it was not safe, they said. But Priyanka, thank you so much. She was very kind enough to take us to Sri Ramalu, and we actually got to experience what a first day first show is here, and that's one memory that I'll remember for a very long time. And I'm hoping, Anaya, that all your future movies, I would like to come back to Sri Ramalu because it holds a very fantastic memory to, watch it with your fans. A big thank you to the print, press, media, and Pawan sir's fans. Dear cults, thank you for being so very kind and loving for all my performance, my little part in the movie. Now this is the part where I'll speak in Telugu. If I make any mistakes, please forgive me. So many years ago, when I'd come to Hyderabad, I'm sure a lot of you have experienced this, all of you who are aspiring actors or whoever comes to Hyderabad for the first time. If you take a cab, normally the cab owner will drive you around all the actors' houses. He'll show you this is this actor's house, this actor's house. So I'll tell you a small story so that you know what happened. So many years ago, నేను హైదరాబాద్లో ఒక క్యాబ్లో వెళ్తుంటే డ్రైవర్ అన్న నాకు సిటీ అంతా చూపిస్తూ యాక్టర్స్ హౌసెస్ చూపిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. బట్ హీ డెంట్ స్టాప్ ఎనీవేర్ అండ్ దెన్ హీ ఫైనలీ స్టాప్డ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ యువర్ హౌస్ saying this is my idol's house. Almost 20 minutes ఉన్నాం సార్ అక్కడ. He was talking emotionally. I didn't want to stop him. And we got out of the car. And I don't think he understood that I speak Telugu. I mean, that I'm not understanding Telugu clearly. But I understood 3 words. Power Star, Kalyan Babu, and Devudu. And I didn't want to stop him because he is very emotional. This part I should say in Telugu. మీ సీసీటీవీలో నన్ను చూసే ఉంటే సారీ అన్నయ్య. Cut to, I got to work with you on OG. So a small part of the post that I wrote, I will say this in Telugu. మిమ్మల్ని పవర్ స్టార్ అని ఎందుకు అంటారో అర్థమైంది. It's because of the power you hold here. మీ generosity, మీ humbleness, the wonderful human being that you are. I must say this, మీరు స్క్రీన్ మీద స్టైలిష్ అన్నయ్య, కానీ రియల్ లైఫ్లో ఇంకా స్టైలిష్. మీరు ఎంత బిజీగా ఉన్నా యూ టుక్ ద టైమ్ టు టాక్ టు మీ. నా లాంటి గ్రోయింగ్ యాక్టర్కి ఇట్ మెంట్ లాట్. మీకోసం చాలామంది వెయిట్ చేస్తుంటారు, అయినా యూ స్పోక్ టు మీ విత్ ఫుల్ అటెన్షన్. షూట్లో మీ షర్ట్ అంతా బ్లడ్ ఉంటే యూ వెంట్ అండ్ చేంజ్ జస్ట్ సో దట్ ఐ కుడ్ టేక్ అ పిక్చర్ విత్ యూ. ఇట్ స్పీక్స్ వాల్యూమ్స్ అబౌట్ ద పర్సన్ యూ ఆర్. హర హర వీరమ్మలు వాయిస్ ఓవర్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు యూ డెంట్ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇట్, బట్ యూ స్టిల్ డూ ఇట్. పవన్ అన్నయ్య, జెన్యూన్గా చెప్తున్నాను, with me there are no favors. You just have to ask. మీకోసం I'll be there anytime, anywhere. I'm going to miss the hugs every day on set అన్నయ్య. ఫ్యూచర్లో in any movie of yours, whether it's a voiceover or even if I'm there for a minute or I'm somewhere behind you in the background kept out of focus, I will happy to do it for you. The only other person I've said this to is Lokesh, and I'll be there ఏదేమైనా. And this last line, I'm going to look at my phone and say this, and this is why I'm calling you Annaya. ఎందుకో తెలీదు సార్, బట్ యూ ఫీల్ లైక్ ఫ్యామిలీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ పవన్ అన్నయ్య. ఇకపై మీ పర్మిషన్తో మిమ్మల్ని అన్నయ్య అని పిలుస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అన్నయ్య. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. Please pardon my Telugu. A big thank you to all the assistant directors who worked on the film, especially Durga. If you're here, I thanked him in my thank you note because every dialogue of mine he kept saying, "Sir, not good, sir. Pronunciation, not good, sir. Telugu audience will not be happy, sir." So thank you, Durga. Bannu, thank you. Thank you to all the assistant directors and all the technicians who worked on the film. Thank you so much once again. Thank you. Have a nice evening. Suma Garu, you're doing a fantastic job. You look beautiful in this black outfit. And is there anything else that you want to ask me, Suma Garu?
ఓజీ,
Oji.
ఒక్క 2 మాటలు తమిళ్లో కూడా మీరు.
தமிழ்ல சொல்லுமா?
சொல்லுங்க.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் சுமா காரு, ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கீங்க, சூப்பரா
பத்தி
ஹோஸ்ட்
இல்ல சார்.
பண்ணீங்க. யார் பத்தி சொல்லணும்?
சினிமாவை பத்தி.
படத்தை பத்தியா?
ஆமா, படத்தை பத்தி.
பவன் அண்ணாவோட படத்தோட சக்ஸஸில் ஒரு குட்டி பாட்டாக இருக்கேன். ஸோ ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கேன். அண்ட் ஐம் ஹோப்பிங், லைக் ஐ செட், நோ, இன் இங்கிலீஷ், if there's anything, a small part of OG2, I'm hoping I get called. Yes, the universe, I'm hoping. But yes, if there's any part in his movie, or I've told Sujit also, in his movie, if think there's a part for me, I'll be happy to be there.
Surely see you at the pre-release event. ఒక్కసారి వెళ్ళే ముందు చెప్పేయచ్చు కదా ఆ డైలాగ్.
అలా అంటాడు, మళ్ళీ తిరిగి వస్తున్నాడు అంటే
వచ్చాడు, మళ్ళీ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ హిట్ ఇచ్చారు, అండ్ అలాగే ఓజీ యూనివర్స్ సృష్టించారు. You're going to see this as a universe.
It's all in his hands and sir's hands, and if they call me, I'll be there for sure for both of them.
Thank you so much, Arjun Das garu. Thank you. మీకు మైక్ అక్కర్లేదు యాక్చువల్లీ, బట్ స్టిల్ ఈ తర్వాత అలాగే పలుకుతుందేమో అని నాకు డౌట్గా ఉంది.